First, open Google web page, then type Google Analytics. Click on the first result. Choose your account. Next. Okay, I already have an account, but I will make a new one to show you how. Click on admin, create account. At the first time you will see this page. You write account name, for example I write my name, and in website name you can write your name with Redbubble like this, and from here write redbubble.com. and change this to HTTPS. Change the category, select, for example I select art and entertainment. Leave the time like this or change it whatever you want, like your area, and click get tracking ID. Okay. Click on accept, scroll down, I accept, I accept. From here, just copy your tracking ID and paste it on my Redbubble. Okay, open your Redbubble account, then open dashboard. This is the dashboard. Scroll down, click on Google Analytics. Google Analytics. Here we are, Google Analytics, and from here in this box copy your tracking ID and click save. Save changes. Okay, after about 24 hours your Google Analytics will begin to show statistics, so you need to wait for 24 hours. Okay, thank you and see you later. Bye.